What's good, YouTube? I'm in my apartment gym now because there's a snowstorm outside and I can't move. Yeah, we're gonna try and get a little lifted in here. There's really not that many things in here. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Get a little fuel for this. What the fuck? Holy fuck. It doesn't like stay. Okay, this is just gonna suck, I'm not gonna lie. Bruce Wayne by NBA Youngboy is probably the only Youngboy song that I've listened to that I'm like, all right, this one's tough. What the? Dude, it doesn't fucking stay. Dude, what the? All right, you know what? We're just switching to dumbbells here. I don't know what the hell is going on with this. How many times y'all gonna fucking call me before I stop? I don't answer. It's this damn group chat with 30 people in it. How you been? How you been? How you been? Ooh. That John sucks. Yo, dude, they got an exercise ball in this bitch. Oh, dude, they got a bigger one. Even bigger exercise ball, dudes. What is wrong with me? 10. And there were people here. I was like, hell no. So I came here, I did my 2 miles, and I left. Now no one's here. And now I'm like, hell yeah. Good damn, get bigger. Getting leaner, that's one thing. I'm down to sitting right around 190. I'd say the average is. I've come a long way since August. August we were sitting at like 230. We're at 190 now. Cutting is not my forte. Bulking is. That's where I strive. Strive on the bulks because I like to eat. Is that a runner? Homie, it's midnight. Why are you running? That was probably the worst dumbbell bench session I've ever had. But, you know, we got her done. God, this workout sucks. Oosh. What the heck are these machines? I just want to go back to Iron Pit, dude. I just want to go back to my gym. How the hell is this a chest press? Alright, yeah, this fucking sucks. Yo dudes, really thinking about buying a new camera. I'm finding my the camera I originally wanted. This one's cool, but you know, this is my hobby now, so I'm gonna spend a lot of money on things I don't need. For the camera I originally wanted was the Sony A7 Mark III. I don't know what it was about that camera, but I immediately wanted it. And you know, now I'm starting to find it for decent deals. There's a very good chance this is the last video ever recorded on this camera. But if I do buy it, then I got to debate on whether I sell this camera or I just have two cameras, which I don't really need two cameras. But I do want to get into like car photography and videography, so it could be a decent idea to have two cameras. I don't know though. But yeah, if you live in Indiana, you know some people with some cool cars, tell them to hit a brother up. I want to do some work. It'd be free for the start. Let me lock in. What the fuck am I listening to? No. My ribs hurt like crazy. So I got abs yet, guys? No. Still fat. Something in the way. Alright, that was stupid. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. Alright, you know what? I was always better at going backwards anyway. Damn, I just got fucking sweat all in my eye. What's back here? What the hell? Why the motherfucker not move? Why the fuck are you jiggling? Fresh battery. I can't wait to live alone. I'm gonna get a little dog, a little English bulldog. Name him Moose, after yours truly. I go by Moose. Well, on my dad's side. I was in the womb and my dad was just like, yeah, that dude's name is Moose. And I don't think I've ever really heard my dad call me by my real name. What does a moose make? I don't seem close. I don't know.
Yeah, Spider-Man.
Where the fuck William's song is, dude? You done stole my Venmo and I get your statements every month. Why? I didn't have anything on my Venmo. Why did you steal it? Because now I don't have a Venmo and you just put your account information on there. Why would you do that? Stupid William.
Trust, bless me and release. Climb hard, never be seen. Closed off, rescue, breathe. Trust, bless me. Two sided time.
That's arguably the most successful outfit you can wear. Wee.
Closure has come to me, myself. You will never be lost to me. Closure has come to me, myself. You will never belong to me. To turn, lay down your sting of disease.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a calm little video. Probably won't be like super long, but yeah, it was a decent little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what else to say. Yabba-dee, dabba-doo. Like and subscribe if you want more of me. If you don't want more of me, you probably shouldn't subscribe, because then if you subscribe, you'll see more of me. So I would just aim to not do that if you don't really fuck with me like that. But if you do, and you want to subscribe, help a brother out on his little journey to content, be much appreciated. Without further ado, it's time for me to skedat, start editing this, so peace out. Self-righteous suicide. Okay. Peace out, goobers.